Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Apple CarPlay to a Nissan Kicks. Start by checking your Kicks manual for the CarPlay port location and whether wireless CarPlay is supported. Make sure your iPhone is updated, Bluetooth is on, and Siri is enabled. Have an Apple-certified USB cable ready for wired setup or pair via Bluetooth for wireless models, then follow on-screen prompts to complete pairing and enable CarPlay in settings. In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay to a Nissan Kicks. Begin by connecting an Apple-certified USB cable from your iPhone to the Kicks USB port labeled for smartphone or CarPlay. Unlock your iPhone and accept any prompts asking to trust this vehicle. On the Nissan display, select the CarPlay icon if it does not launch automatically, and confirm permissions to enable full CarPlay functionality and app access. In this video, I will help you connect Apple CarPlay to a Nissan Kicks. For wireless setup, make sure your Kicks supports wireless CarPlay and that your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Put the vehicle in pairing mode via the infotainment Bluetooth settings, then select the Kicks from your iPhone Bluetooth list. Approve any pairing codes and grant CarPlay permissions on both screens, then watch the CarPlay interface appear on the Nissan display ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.